How to have a great morning routine before school. Are you tired of waking up late for school and being forced to rush getting ready? Are you always late for school because you just can't wake up at the right time? Here is how to have a great morning routine, in order to save you time, no matter how early or late you wake up. Part 1. The night before. 1. Get everything, including homework, organized in your backpack for the next day. Have all paperwork signed by parents. Put away all of your books, papers and other school requirements, inside your bag and ready to take in the morning. 2. Pick out an outfit that you like. Lay it out somewhere that you can remember to find it in the morning. Include accessories if you want to wear these. Part 2. The morning of the school day. 1. Make sure you wake up at an early hour. Wake up at least 30 minutes or earlier before school starts, so that you have plenty of time to get ready. It's also helpful to use an alarm clock or radio to wake up. 2. Go straight to the bathroom and brush your teeth and wash your face. This is a good start for keeping nice and clean during the school day. If you want, take a shower. It will make you smell and feel better throughout the whole day. 3. Get dressed. You'll be glad that you laid out your clothes the night before. 4. Comb your hair. Style it any way you like or just leave it as it is. 5. Make up your bed, quick pick up and put away. 6. Eat breakfast. Make sure you like what you have for breakfast. And always remember, any breakfast is better than none, citation needed, so eat up. If you don't have enough time to eat breakfast in home, then just pack a breakfast bar into your bag or put it in your pocket so you can quickly and easily get it out, and then you can eat your healthy breakfast bar on the way to school or at break time, if you have that at your school. 7. Do other things as needed. For example, move your siblings. Help them get up in the morning. They might be the reason that you're late. Give food and water to your pets, if applicable. 8. Grab your bag and make sure everything, like homework, is organized the way you want. Turn off all lights and lock the doors if you're responsible for doing this. Head out the door and be on time. Tips. Try not to rush too much. Leave plenty of time for even some relaxing in the morning. Make sure you get at least 8 hours of sleep, or else you might be too tired to function the next day. Try to drink milk with your breakfast. If you can't drink milk, try soy milk. Milk has a lot of protein, so it fills you up. Some people drink water. Do not sleep in on school days. Ever. It could make you groggy. Try doing some quick exercises or yoga in the morning. It will help you feel less tired. If you have an alarm and always snooze, set multiple alarms on your phone. The latest one has to be at least half an hour before school starts. Make a routine list on the weekend. When you brush your teeth, make sure you brush them for 2 minutes to keep your teeth healthy. Try to wake up at the same time. Get away from your bed when you wake up so you don't fall asleep again. Make sure to eat a good breakfast. Try not to play on your phone in the morning because you might get distracted and lose track of time. If you're a lazy sleeper like me, make sure your alarm is loud enough for you to hear it. Make sure you have had at least some breakfast to keep you going for the day. Washing your face will make you feel more energetic because you haven't got anything in your eyes and you feel fresh, but be careful. If you have a hard time getting up and staying up in the morning, try putting your alarm clock across the room. That way, you'll have to actually get up to turn it off. Warnings. Do not do the whole 5 more minutes. I only need 5 more minutes. Thing. It is only going to keep going on and on. You have to get up eventually. Do not wake up, then 20 minutes later, go back to sleep. You will just be late, and even more tired. Things. An alarm clock or radio, optional. Clothes. Breakfast. At least 8 hours of sleep. Make sure you have a very healthy breakfast. Stay away from your phone. If you walk to school and you meet up with a friend and you think you may be a little bit late, ring them in advance.